Wondering how to create this blurred text effect? Open Photoshop and create any text you want. After that, right-click on the layer and select Convert to a Smart Object. Add Gaussian blur effect. Set the amount to 20. Now let's go to the Blur Gallery. Select Tilt Shift. Set the amount to about 260. Adjust the frame of the effect as you can see on the screen. Create a duplicate of the smart object using Ctrl-J keys combination. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Gradient Map. Use any bold gradient which you like more. And as a final step, you can place noise texture above all the layers. Change its blending mode to soft light and play with the opacity until you like the outcome. Our text effect is ready. Visit pixelbuddha.net. Here you'll find a great collection of free and premium effects. Save this video for later.